For episode 35 of Expressions at Work, titled Embracing Diversity in the Workplace, let's focus on expressions like bring different perspectives, level playing field, break down barriers, and mix of backgrounds. This episode will feature a dialogue during a diversity and inclusion workshop, highlighting the importance of embracing diversity in a professional setting. Alex, Project Manager. Welcome, everyone, to our diversity and inclusion workshop. It's essential we recognize the value of having a team that brings different perspectives to the table. Jenna, Senior Designer. Absolutely, Alex. A mix of backgrounds in our team enriches our creative process and leads to more innovative solutions. Mike, Lead Developer. I agree. Ensuring a level playing field where everyone has equal opportunities is crucial for our growth and success. Alex, that's right, Mike. Part of our commitment is to break down barriers and create an inclusive environment for all employees, regardless of their background. Further into the workshop. Jenna, embracing diversity also means being open to learning from each other and respecting different viewpoints. Alex, exactly, Jenna. It's about more than just numbers. It's about how we work together and learn from each other's experiences. Mike, and it's up to us as leaders to foster this inclusive culture and lead by example. Alex, let's continue to build a workplace where diversity is not just accepted, but celebrated. It's key to our collective strength and innovation. Let's break down these expressions. Bring different perspectives to contribute diverse viewpoints or ideas based on varied experiences. Example, in our team meetings, everyone is encouraged to bring different perspectives. Level playing field, a situation where everyone has the same opportunities and is treated equally. Like, our company policies are designed to create a level playing field for all employees. Break down barriers, to eliminate obstacles that hinder equality and inclusion. For instance, our diversity initiative aims to break down barriers in career advancement. Mix of backgrounds, a combination of different cultural, educational, or professional histories within a group. Example, the project benefited from the team's mix of backgrounds.